Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
So let's get right into it. Could your charging cable actually be a backdoor for hackers?
Now, it might sound a little dramatic, but it's a real concern for experts. Let's break it down.
The simple answer? Yeah. Wired chargers are just way more vulnerable to these kinds of cyber attacks.
And here's why. It all comes down to a lack of something called end-to-end encryption.
Think of it like this. It's sending a postcard out in the open instead of a sealed letter.
Without that seal, hackers can jump in, steal your data, or even physically damage your car's battery.
On the flip side, wireless charging systems often have much stronger security built right in from the start.
It's kind of like your car connecting to a secure, password-protected Wi-Fi, not just some open public network.
This makes it way harder for hackers to mess with things, but they don't just target the tech. They target you, the driver, so you've got to watch out for scams right there at the station.
For instance, a fake QR code can send you to a bogus website to steal your payment info.
So, how do you protect yourself? Well, the good news is you can. Here are 3 simple steps.
First up, before you even plug in your car, give that public charger a good look over. If a QR code looks stuck on or the card reader feels loose, just use the official app instead.
Next, lock down your EV app. Use a strong password and turn on multi-factor authentication. Seriously.
And number 3, always install those official software updates. They contain crucial security fixes.
At the end of the day, it really is about staying vigilant. It's the key to enjoying your EV safely.
Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.